Hi, you're watching Stylement, and on day 3 of IRFW, I have with me Falguni and Shane Peacock. I'm just completely blown away by the designs we saw on the ramp. Absolutely marvelous stuff. Resort, glamour, sports luxe, all of them coming together. What was the inspiration?
The inspiration was Spain, Ibiza, really chilled out beach places where you can go and chill, have a cool vacation, and then be carefree. So the entire collection was with bikinis and bodysuits, and we done loose skirts and bralettes, and it was a very fun line, basically what you would wear on a cruise. So basically it is a cruise collection more than a resort, where we've done not too many kurtis because everyone does that. Yeah.
Shane, in terms of trends, global trends, for silhouettes, colors, prints, what are the big trends you're betting on for, let's say, spring summer 2014? That's the season upon us.
Pastel shades, strong prints, more graphic, more intricate, more stylized, and those are the kind of prints actually we've been working on this thing, and we tend to keep it a little more sporty.
The Peacocks have dressed everyone from Paris Hilton to Britney Spears to Rihanna, Lady Gaga, Madonna. I have to ask them, what is that one unique thing about each one of them, and how have the experiences been different for all the celebrities they've designed for?
It's always been a great experience designing for them, and everyone has their own characteristics and do's and don'ts, and they like this and they don't like this, So with Fergie, we were doing for the FIFA, and we had a brief where she wanted something which was very rock, and she wanted a bodysuit with a big peplum. So we did it that way. Then Rihanna wanted something very basic but very, very sexy and BDSM, so we did that. And Katy Perry is always very, very gorgeous and simple, glamour. So everyone has their own characteristics, their style of design, and the way they dress themselves, and they don't want to go away from that. Like when we did for Lady Gaga, we knew that she wanted to do something outrageous, so we did a body with sheer.
If there's one element that's never a miss when it comes to your collection, it's edge. I mean, there's a fair amount of the edge factor. How does one do edgy right?
You need to be crazy to think edgy. No, I just think that it's never that something that you can become crazy. It's just that it should be inside.
Naturally,
it just flows
for us,
naturally, yeah.
I mean, we don't try to make an effort. It just comes out naturally. I mean, we try everything that we do just turns out edgy. We sometimes think and we say, let's not do edgy. At the end of it, this is edgy. It just flows out.
Yeah, even today, what we showed was absolutely, what someone would do when they think edgy. It is not a regular swimwear show which we did today, and I think that's what is our characteristic. Every time we do it, that signature of ours is always there.
Sheer has been a big part of 2013, and we got to see quite a bit of that in the collection that you presented just now. What about sheer is so fascinating?
Sheer had been a part of us since 2010. So I think we can proudly say that we were the ones who started the trend of sheer down, sheer on top, cutouts. And ever since, we've just grown and grown in stylizing it more and more. And even though we've been doing it for like 3 years, it still looks different. So yeah, that's the thing. You can think how much ever you want, and you can make it look different. So that's how far you can go when you want to do sheer.
Accessories are a big part of the show, always. We saw the John Lennon glasses and really statement.
Chandni Sareen.
Right.
And she's truly international in her styling, and she and Falguni sat and they discussed the look, and they put it together.
Yeah, and we had the jewelry from Nitya, which was really stunning. We did the sunglasses, we did the bandanas, which actually is what you wear when you go to the beach. So the whole look was to create the feel of being at the beach.
Thank you so much. Thanks for joining us.